Hello everyone. The previous video we saw like how we can add the components. So in this video we will see like how we can publish. Okay. So in the previous video we saw this page. Okay, like we have added all the components here, all the required components that are being needed, everything. So let me just recheck. Yes, I have added everything. If I want to add anything, someone similar story title and these things. So creating a relation, we will continue in the next video. So yes, I have added all the fields. So once I save this, it will be saved as a draft like you can see. Once I publish it, the page will be published to the site. Okay, and after publishing, we can just view this page after 10 to 15 minutes of publishing. So once we publish this, we can also unpublish it by clicking on this three dots option. Okay, so first of all, let's publish the site, the blog. Okay, so let me publish it. And as you can see, it's been published. The title tag has also been changed to the publish. Okay, let's refresh the site for 3 to 5 times. Let's wait for some time. See, I just created this blog and I added all the things, all the fields, and see, slug, you can see like test banner at the below test banner. Okay, so as I click on it, blog not found because there might be some issue, but you can just see like I have, once I published it, it's being displayed in the site. Okay, so since I published it is being displayed here, and if I unpublish it again, then this will be removed from the site. So let's unpublish it for now. Yes, see, since it's unpublished, so it's in the draft again. Okay, so that is it for today. We'll continue the next things in the next video. Thank you.